Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best electric chainsaws available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the Greenworks 16-inch 40 volts cordless chainsaw. The Greenworks 16-inch 40 Digi Pro cordless chainsaw is here to provide the greatest wood cutting technology solution for all your lumber cutting duties and other related jobs. This is the first chainsaw that can run on batteries, has a variety of power levels, and can make up to 100 cuts in a 4x4 piece of lumber. It also has a brushless motor that reduces vibration by up to 70% so that the user may work comfortably. Other noteworthy characteristics of this product include a transparent tank that can always track the amount of oil consumed in order to prevent work performance from being hampered by an oil shortage. Furthermore, a single battery may power 25 tools, which is evidence of the effectiveness and high caliber of this tool. Additionally, you can save enough time using an instant starting mode to do your assignment on time. At number 2 is the DEWALT 20 volts Max XR chainsaw. Currently, the business offers more than 180 goods that promise use and have gained the confidence of even the most picky customer. The DEWALT DCCS 620B 20 volts Max XR compact 12-inch cordless chainsaw is here to provide you with the ideal option for all of your construction and outdoor cutting requirements, whether you are an inexperienced amateur user, a professional arborist, or a cutter. This is just one of several cutting-edge and effective pieces of machinery and equipment that the company excels at creating. This machine combines maximum runtime with a prolonged motor life to deliver a chain speed of 25.2 feet per second. It is rugged, lightweight, strong, and extremely efficient. The 14-inch Oregon bar and chain also easily pass through a log with a 16 diameter. Additionally, regardless of the size of your hand or whether you are wearing gloves or not, the ergonomically designed handle offers a firm and non-slip grip. At number 3 on our list is the Worx WG304.1 15 amp 18 inches electric chainsaw. The 18-inch cordless chainsaw from Worx is very quick to move and simple to use. You get more cutting power because to its tool-free chain changing method and strong 15 amp 4.0 horsepower motor. Through the use of a proprietary auto tension chain technology, the chain is kept at the proper tension to provide the best cutting performance. The bar and chain are kept properly in place by a single big knob, which also automatically maintains the necessary degree of tension during the cutting process. Additionally, the 18-inch bar has been purposefully lengthened to improve reach and user-friendliness. Its automatic lubrication mechanism makes sure that the chain sections are consistently and continuously oiled, ensuring that your cutting operation is uninterrupted and always smooth. The auto lubrication system also has an oil indicator that displays the amount of oil in the 6.75-ounce reservoir so you can keep track of the level and schedule a refill in advance. Moving up at number 4 is the Oregon CS 1415 amp electric chainsaw. The ideal entry-level chainsaw is the Oregon CS 1400 corded electric chainsaw. It's perfect for any low-intensity chainsaw job, including chopping branches, splitting firewood, and more. This is perfect for maintaining your yard, but if you're starting a career as a tree surgeon, you should probably look for something a little more potent. It contains an instant start 15 amp motor, allowing you to start working as soon as it is plugged in. It has an integrated Lubritech oiling system that continuously maintains the chain lubricated, lowering friction and lengthening the life of the saw. In comparison to gas-powered chainsaws, the Oregon CS 1400 is also among the quietest chainsaws, and it has little vibration and kickback. At number 5 is the Sunjoe SWJ701E electric chainsaw. Electric chainsaws were not intended for heavy-duty tree cutting. A more powerful tool than the Sunjoe SWJ701E is likely required if you need to clear up an entire forest of trees. However, this electric chainsaw is all you'll ever require if you're pruning branches, making firewood, and removing big limbs from your trees. This machine has some considerable cutting power thanks to its 14 amp motor and 18-inch self-lubricating Oregon bar and chain. Despite being one of the largest electric chainsaws, it is actually quite light. You won't have to strain your back every time you need to cut up some firewood because it just weighs 9.7 pounds. Additionally, it contains a number of safety measures, including as a handguard, kickback brake, and a switch to prevent accidental ignition. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.